Hello everyone, my name is Jane. Welcome to Jane's Adda. In this video, I'm going to make drumstick leaf stir fry with red cowpeas. First, I soak 50 grams of red cowpeas. If you don't find the red one, you can use the white one. After soaking overnight, pressure cook the beans with 3 cups of water up to 3 whistles. Drain and keep aside. The drained water can be used for making rasam or in curries. Now clean the drumstick leaves. Separate only the leaves. We are not using even the tiny bit of stem. Wash and drain well and chop them into small pieces. In a pan, I am pouring 2 spoons of sunflower oil. To this, I am adding 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal and 1 teaspoon chana dal together. Let it turn brown. Then add 3 green chilies, 8 curry leaves, 10 cloves of finely chopped garlic and 1 large onion. Drumstick leaves are also known as Moringa or Murungai Kire in Tamil and Nugge Soppu in Kannada. They are highly nutritious and considered as a superfood as they are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They lower blood pressure, reduce fat, boost your immunity, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol levels. So try to include them at least once a week. Once the onions turn translucent, add the chopped drumstick leaves. Remember, don't turn the onions brown, let them turn translucent. I'm adding 3 handfuls of leaves here. Mix them well and fry for 5 minutes. These leaves are chewy, therefore they need some accompaniment like beans or dals and lots of onion. These are the boiled beans. After stir frying leaves for 5 minutes, I'm adding them now and cook for 2 more minutes. Also add 1 teaspoon salt and mix well. Lastly, I'm adding 1/4 cup of grated coconut. If you don't like coconut, you may add roasted groundnut powder or roasted peanut powder. Mix them well. And turn off the gas. So the superfood is ready to serve with rice as a side dish. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video soon with another recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. Bye. Take care.